Okay, moment of truth. So I am here in the office with my niece Maisie. We're doing a science fair test for her, and it was so exciting that I just wanted to share with everyone. If you haven't looked at the other three videos that we've made, what happened is Maisie has purchased 3 over-the-counter hearing aids or mail order hearing aids, and we're in the office today comparing those to a custom or prescription fit hearing device. And so my dad, Jerry, has agreed to be our participant. He also agreed to be on video. So we're all clear with that. So if you haven't seen the other two, so far what we found is that 2 of the 3 devices that we've tested were way over amplified. They would have caused even some damage in one area on one of the devices. They were too loud for him to get them in his ear. One device he was trying to put in his ear upside down. So that would have been an issue if you were at home alone and didn't know the difference. And one device actually did fairly well where he didn't need help, but where he did need help, it wasn't cutting it. It still wasn't loud enough. So these are his prescription devices that we've now tested the same way we did the other 3. Everything's exactly the same. So hold on a second. Let me show you what we did. Again, this is called Real Ear. This is a test that anyone, let me tell you this, anyone who comes to our office that gets hearing devices gets this test. If you want your devices tested out, whether they're mail order or something you got somewhere else, we're happy to do this test for you too. Just give us a call and I'll give you information at the end of the video. So this is how his prescription devices performed. What you're looking at here is his left ear. The white line indicates normal hearing. The blue line indicates his left ear hearing loss. So down here in the low pitches, he's pretty close to normal. There's not much difference, but look right here. There's a big difference between the blue and the white line right here. This is how much hearing loss is there and where we need to help. This is a noise-induced hearing loss, probably from military noises, guns, things like that. So this green hashtag, this is his target. That's where he's going to hear his very best. It's a prescription target, just like you have prescription glasses. You have a prescription for your hearing aids as well, and that's his prescription setting. So the green line in the middle of the green bar, this dark green line, that is where his hearing aids are actually performing. And what we're looking for is the green dark line and the green hash that they touch. And so right here is a little bit off, but look at all these that are hitting right on the target, especially where he needs it the most. So that's his left ear. If we pop over here to the right ear, same thing. This is normal hearing on the white line. The red line indicates his hearing loss. This is how far off of normal the hearing is. We have more of a hearing problem in the higher frequencies because of noise exposure. That's the area you really want to focus on. The green hashtags, those are the goal. That's his prescription target where he's going to hear his very best. This dark green line is what we want to touch, that green hashtag. So we want the green dark line to touch this hashtag here. So we can see we're hitting it everywhere that it needs to be. So we're right on target. And that means that at this level, he's going to hear his very best. He's at his prescription level. So what happens is that we're able to connect these devices to our system. We can custom set them based on needing a little bit of help in the low frequencies maybe, but then a lot of help on the highs. So we have the ability to change the shape of it, which means that he's going to hear and understand words better. So we were asking about his experience with the over-the-counter versus his prescription, and the answer is
these are much better.
These are much better. And the other ones that he had tried were too loud. The third set we tried were a little too soft and didn't really seem to help much. So interesting little scientific project that we have here. So again, if you'd like for us to do this to your hearing devices, you can go to hearingcarepartners.com for more information. Thank you and have a great day.